Nigga got a flamingo shirt on, but his flamingo don't go.
Oh, bars. David, what you got for him, bro?
But he gets his flamingos.
The boy out here wearing his flippy floppies.
Okay.
I catch more bitches. I catch them just like I catch my crappies.
Go ahead, Devon. Go ahead, Devon.
I'm gonna kill this
Motherfucker got a
Kill him, bro.
Dr. Pepper shirt on.
Kill him, bro. Kill him. Kill him, bro.
Motherfucker got on shorts. Cause his legs too skinny to wear pants. Ah! Y'all ain't getting no reaction.
Motherfucker got,
dude.
got swimming trunks on the pool.
I'm telling you, bro. Yo, I'm done with him, bro.
Motherfucker got.
All right, guys.
Come on.
Promise I'm naked. I got pants on. But we're starting a vlog, and guess who wants to be in it really bad? Blake Hollowell. There we go. What's up, buddy? What's up? So we're just making a vlog of why I'm not making vlogs right now, and it's because
He's putting
this
up
is
a pool.
Yeah, it's pool. It's a car vlog. I'm not doing car stuff, so I just don't vlog. But the pool's up. It looks great. And David just did something that I thought he couldn't do.
People.
The bottle cap challenge. And I'm gonna play it in a second. Good, but I
got one thing to say.
David wants to say
If
something.
someone tells you you can't do anything, don't let I can't do it stop you.
Hey, guess what? Some people can't do shit, okay? And they need to let that stop them. Oh man, let's roll the tapes.
He did it! Dude, that's awesome! And the GoPro got.
Did y'all see that shit?
The fucking man.
Alright, so as you see, David really did do it. He did it. It's a shocker, I know. But here's the reason why. Oh god. But here's the reason why I have not been doing car vlogs. So I am a one-man team. Put up the fence. Did a lot with the barn. I knocked down a section, and now I gotta redo this whole wall in here. And then I'm making a deck that's gonna go all the way around this pool. Here's the pool. We got it about 60% done with the water fill up. So that's done. And this weekend, Night Tug, be there. If you're not gonna be there, I'm gonna be vlogging it. I'm gonna get a media pass too. I'm gonna be racing, and then Sunday I'm gonna be doing a novice clinic, and I'm gonna train while I'm there. And then the 21st I'm gonna be doing another novice clinic. I think there's one more spot open. So if anybody out there wants to learn how to drift, you have a rear wheel drive car, doesn't even have to be a manual. There was a Volvo out there killing it. All right, come out, hit me up, hit Spirit Drift up, get your emission put in and everything like that. And if you want me to train you, I'll be there. So here we go. Guys, I'm gonna stop this vlog now because I don't know how to spell coop no more, and this is embarrassing. So I'm done. This is it. I'll see y'all next vlog. Bye.
I just realized after all this time, y'all still got my cooler.
Oh, they stole it, bro. They said it.
Hey. But that didn't stop your ass
From
for going to the jeweler. Oh, shoot.